Here's me. Hi. Okay, last one. Actually, I'm gonna go back to the first one again because I feel like it could be dug out a little bit more. I can dig it out a little bit more because I don't think I went back to it, huh? Okay. Here is that. Can we wash my hands now? Ew. Actually, let me grab a napkin and I'm gonna put the extra banana and a napkin for my dogs later. I'm so grossed out. My hands smell so nasty. Ugh. This is so nasty. Okay. Ew. Okay, let's wash our hands again. I just freaking, I don't know how I'm gonna take off my ring. Whatever, I'm just gonna wash it with my ring on. I don't know if I'm supposed to wash this ring or not, so I'm a little hesitant. Thank you. So many people don't get what that tattoo is, and it hurts my feelings. But it's like probably one of my favorites. No, they're not. Where my hug at? They were like $8,000. We're baking banana puff pastry. Chocolate and banana puff pastry. Let me get a knife. Okay, now we're gonna do our chocolate. I bought this like dark chocolate hazelnut. No, not 8,000 each. That's crazy. Okay, I'm just gonna cut it into pieces. And then we're gonna take, the next tattoo I want is gonna be for my grandma, and then I think I'm done, TBH. Actually, no, I want one for Tito, my dog Tito. And then I'll be done. Okay. And then you put the chocolate like that. Next one, I don't have enough chocolate. Ooh, that is getting messy. They were 8,000. 8K, besties. Oh, it fell. Okay. I don't really have business. Thank you, Falcon, I think. Or Falco? Falco? Azul? Okay, cute. All right, they all have chocolate in them. Oh, on my hands again. I have some extra. And let's just move it over. Okay, now we're gonna get the puff pastry. And I think I'm gonna move, let me move all this actually. Okay. Puff pastry. No, I'm not that tall. Okay, let's do the puff pastry. I need like something to put this on. Look, my wood cutting board fucking broke. Isn't that sad? Okay, puff pastry. Okay. And this is 2 whole pieces. I don't actually know how I'm gonna wrap it. I haven't figured that out yet. I might need to heat this up for a second. Maybe let's go to the microwave and heat it up for like 5 seconds or so. Maybe a little bit longer. Thank you. Ah! Chicha. Oh shit, I was cooking that hoe. Oh, I was paying attention. All right, let's go back. Now, get the puff pastry. I accidentally kind of cooked it. It's okay. Ah, it's so... Oh no. Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. I don't know. Thank you, Chicha. I don't know how I'm gonna wrap it. I think I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna wrap it. I'm still trying to figure this out. Cause basically how the person I saw do it, he like basically wrapped it around like that. Like around. Let me see. Hold on. I don't know if I have anything that's gonna make it do that. Other than like me just fucking cutting it, right? Let's just cut it. Yeah, fuck it. Let's just cut it. Whatever. I'm just gonna have to do something eventually. I'm just gonna cut it against the actual like seam that it was folded on, and then we're gonna make some small slivers all the way down and through. And then I think I'm just gonna wrap them, probably just like, I think it's gonna be a little over wrapped, but I think it'll be fine. It'll be interesting, I think. Why are they restricting my live? For nudity and body exposure. That's actually insane. No, I don't have that. I'm literally covered up. Okay, it's okay. Okay. Now, let's move this here for a second. Let's switch these, I guess. There you go. And now we're just gonna start wrapping it, I guess. Wrap your banana, everyone. Don't forget to wrap your banana. Okay. Now that I'm done being annoying, we're just gonna start wrapping her like this. Oh, it's falling apart. Oh.